Well, what a crazy turn of events. 24 hours, and what a huge difference it has made. Bitcoin running up 9+%, the overall market up 6%. We're going to take a look at this, and I'm also going to tell you why this is going on. It may not be for the reasons you think. Actually, it's outside of crypto, but we got a couple of interesting factors that are all coming to play here. I'm going to explain everything to you in this video. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like, please. Tell the algorithm that we are here. Okay, so right now, crypto is up 6.6% as of the recording of this video. As I said, Bitcoin up 9% on the 24-hour, Ethereum up 7%. Bitcoin has, yeah, look at that. Boy, it has really played with that $30,000 number, but it's come back a little bit off of that. And Ethereum is playing with that $2,000 number and has come back off of that a little bit. Okay, so why is crypto up? What is going on with crypto right now? I got to take you back. Last week, we had a couple of things that happened. We had a 16,000 Bitcoin sell, one single transaction that happened on Wednesday of last week. All right. Now that happened, it happened to go through Binance. That was where the actual sell took place. That was $467 million of Bitcoin sold in one single transaction. That spooked everybody and scared everybody. Add into that, there's people and organizations that look at wallets, and there was a lot of old Bitcoin wallets that woke up. Okay. These were wallets that hadn't had any activity in them for like 10 years. These wallets woke up and started moving Bitcoin. And that, plus the huge sell last week of Bitcoin, is why one of the main reasons that crypto was kind of down all last week and heading into the weekend. Oh, by the way, we had the UK come out with an inflation report that was hotter than expected, etc. Okay. So now fast forward to today, and why has crypto exploded and what is going on? Okay. So it is this reason right here. Let me show you. First Republic. If you haven't been paying attention, okay, First Republic Bank it's going bad. Okay, pressure mounts on First Republic as stock continues to plunge. This is one of those big old school banks. It's out in California that, similar to Silicon Valley Bank, was in trouble, and they are begging to be basically, saved, if you will, and it's not going well. So this is creating a run where, you remember the old saying, crypto is a hedge against, the inflation and this and all this kind of stuff. This is part of the reason you see crypto exploding, is you see a lot of money flowing out of traditional finance and into crypto right now. And oh, by the way, coupled with the fact that I think people overcorrected last week with that, in the fear of why those Bitcoin wallets were waking up, and that huge 16,000 Bitcoin sale and all that kind of stuff. So you got kind of a confluence of events, right? Okay, so that's it. That's what's going on. It's kind of crazy how all this is playing out. This is why I love sitting in this seat. I love, I love this job every single day, because it's crazy how things are going right now. So enjoy the ride. I mean, I literally woke up this morning. I'm like, whoa, what is going on? And started doing some digging. And those are some reasons. Now, I'm sure there's a few other factors. Now, remind you, we have a GDP report coming out. I think it's tomorrow. And then we've got the PCE inflation report coming out the next day. And then next week, we've got the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting. And I'm not trying to be a, not a fun guy here in this context, meaning like, take the life out of the party, but you need to know that those events are out there. Okay. And so again, I'll be talking about them, be reporting on them, letting you know what's going on, all that kind of stuff. So if you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button below, drop a like. As always, I appreciate you. Have a good one.